Hello champions. Okay, so this is chapter 1, ratio and proportion, indices and logarithms. Additional question bank. This video will contain questions from 26 to 50. So let us go on page number 1.37. Question number 26. Please keep your calculators ready. Okay. So if a question contains numerical options and equations are given in variables, the easiest and fastest way to solve in the exam would be to substitute some values to the variables. For example, for this question we will assume a equals to 1 and b equals to 2. So let us simplify. What do we get? X power 1 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1 divided by x power 1 divided by 1 plus 2, 3. Then multiplying the equation and flipping the other terms. So we have x power 2 divided by 2 plus 1, 3 divided by x power 2 divided by 2 minus 1, 1 whole power 1 plus 2, 3. This is equals to x power minus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 whole power 3, which is equals to x power minus 3 plus 1 by 3 whole power 3, which is equals to x power minus 9 plus 1, which is equals to x power minus 8. Option is D, none of the above. Okay, next question, question 27. Again, this is a very simple question. Okay, we have variables in the options. We can solve this by simplifying the equations, or we can substitute some numbers. Okay, so let us try to solve with the substitution method. Suppose we assume a equals to b equals to c equals to 1. So what do we have? We have x power 1 divided by x power 2 whole power 1 plus 1, 2 into x power 2 divided by x power 1 whole power 2 into x power 1 divided by x power 2 whole power 2. Okay, so what do we have? X and 1x gets cancelled from each of the terms. We have x power minus 2 plus 2 and minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. We have x power minus 2. So let us substitute a, b, c in all the options as well. First option gives us x power minus 2. Second option gives us x power 2. Third option gives us x power minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. and fourth option gives us x power 6. So option number A is the answer. 27th A. Okay. Next question. Question 28. Okay. Again, this is the same question as above, just the second term is different. Again, let us substitute A equals to B equals to C equals to 1. Okay. So we have x power 1 divided by x square whole square into x power 1 divided by x power 2 whole square into x power 1 divided by x square whole square, which is equals to x power, x gets cancelled with every 1x gets cancelled in every terms. So we have x power minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. We have x power minus 6. So option number C gives us x power minus 6. 28C. Next question, question number 29. Just take a look at the options. These are given in numericals. So again, we have to assume some numbers. Even if we don't assume, we will still get the answer. Okay. So let us assume x equals to y equals to z equals to 1. Okay. So m power 1 whole power 2 into m power 1 whole power 2 into, okay, I'm multiplying, so that's why it will come as in the division, 1 divided by 3 into m power 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this term gets cancelled as 1. These are same, and 1 square is 1. So we get an answer 1 divided by 3. So option number D. Okay. We have to always carefully assume the value of the variables. Okay. You cannot always assume 1 or 0. Okay. Question number 30. Again, the values given in the options are in numerical form and we have an equation. So again, we are going to assume different numbers this time. Since if we assume x and y as same, then it will become 0 and then you will not get a correct answer for this question. You might not get. Okay. So let us assume x is 1 and y is 2. What do we get? 1 divided by 1 plus, okay, a power 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus a power minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So let us simplify this. Okay, so minus 1 means what? 1 divided by a. So how will we simplify? 1 divided by 1 plus a plus a divided by 1 plus a. Correct? Then we have 1 plus a divided by 1 plus a, which is equals to 1. Option number C. Okay. Question number 31. Again, we have options in numericals So we are going to assume some numbers. We can also solve through solving the equations, however, but we are given numbers. We will assume x equals to y equals to z equals to 1. Okay, so what do we get? The first term we get as 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. Similarly, the second term 1 plus 1 plus 1, and the third term also 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is 3 by 3 is equals to 1. Option number A. Next question, question number 32. Okay, again this is a simple question. Let us assume these are equals to constant k. Okay, so what is 2 equals to? K power 1 by a. 3 is equals to k power 1 by b, and 12 is equals to k power 1 by c. So we have 2 into 2 into 3 is equals to 12. Correct? So we have k power 2a, 2 by a, into k power 1 by b is equals to k power 1 by c. So the indexes are equal since the bases are same. So we have 2 by a plus 1 by b is equals to 1 by c. And what are we asked? 0 is equals to 1 by c minus 1 by b minus 2 divided by a. Option number B. Next question, question 33 again. Similar. I'm going to directly solve this. 2 into 3 is 6. So we have 1 by a plus 1 by b is equals to minus 1 by c. So we have 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is equals to 0. Option number A. Similarly, question number 34, we have 3 into 5 into 5 is 75. Correct? So we have 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by b is equals to 1 by c. Let us simplify this. So this is 2 by b. So we have b plus 2a divided by ab equals to 1 by c. I hope you are able to follow this. So c into b plus 2a is equals to ab, and taking the equations to the right side. So we have 0 is equals to ab minus c into b plus 2a. This is what is asked. Correct? So option number B. Okay. Next question, question number 35. Again, it is the same similar question. What do we have? We have 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So we have 1 by a plus 1 by a, or rather we'll write 2 by a plus 1 by b is equals to 1 by c. Simplify. What do we get? 2b plus a divided by ab equals to 1 by c. We have c into 2b plus a is equals to ab, and we have 0 is equals to AB minus C into 2B plus A. This is what is asked. Option number A. Next question, question number 36. So, now how are you going to solve question number 36? This is again a very good question. Okay. Let us first translate this first equation into base of 2. So we have 2 power A is equals to 2 power 2B is equals to 2 power 3C, right? 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8, right? So now we get A equals to 2B equals to 3C, correct? And what do we have here? ABC equals to 288. So let us substitute. We have 2B into B into C, or maybe we can also substitute C in terms of B. So we have 2B divided by 3 is equals to 288. So what do we have? B cube is equals to 288 into 3 divided by 4, which is equals to 6, right? So now substituting 6 and finding out what is C, right? So A in AC is equals to 288 divided by 6, which is equals to, use your calci, 48, right? And A is 3C. So we have 3C square is equals to 48 and C is equals to square root of 48 divided by 3, that is 16. So square root of 16 is 4. So therefore A is equals to 3 into 4, which is equals to 12. So what do we have? A is 12, B is 6 and C is 4. Correct? So let us substitute 12, 6 and 4. So what do we have? 12, B is 6 and C is 4. We have 3 divided by 24, which is equals to 1 by 8. Option number A. Question number 37. Again, it is a simple question. Again, equate it with the constant k and substitute in this equation. What do we get? We get 1 by p plus 1 by q is equals to 1 by r plus 1 by s. I hope you are able to follow this by now. Please practice before you solve these questions. Practice the given exercise. Anyway, let's move on. So take all the equations to the left hand side. So we have 1 plus p, 1 by p plus 1 by q minus 1 by r minus 1 by s is equals to 0. Option number C. Okay. Next question. Question number 38. Okay. So now we are given A in terms of B and B in terms of A. So what is A equals to? B power A by B. Now let us substitute this A into this equation. Okay. So what do we get? carefully substitute. So A is equals to B into B power A power B, and there is outside A power B as well. So we have A square by B square divided by B power A power B, the outside bracket, correct? Minus, what is A? A is B. A square by B square minus A by B. I'm directly opening the bracket. So what do we have? We have B power A square by B square minus A by B minus B power A square by B square minus A by B. Both the terms gets cancelled. We get is equals to 0. Option number C. Next question, question number 39. Okay. So again, we have numericals, numbers in the options. So what are we going to do? We will either solve it as an equations or substitute values. Let us solve this question by equation. What do we get? Let us substitute m here and n here, correct? And solve. So we have b power xy into b power yx is equals to b square. Powers are same, so we have xy plus xy is equals to 2. So we have 2xy is equals to 2. So xy is equals to 1. Option number C. Right? Next question, question number 40. We have again options in numbers and variables. So we have so many variables now. Either we can substitute or we can solve it through expansion. Okay. So for substitution, you have to carefully assume numbers. Okay. Right. So if you substitute m equals to m and p equals to 1, so this becomes these become same, which will not give you the right answers. You have to carefully substitute numbers. However, we will solve the equations having more than 3 variables with the help of expansion of the equations. So let us substitute a, b, c in the asked equation. So what do we have? A is equals to xy m minus 1 n minus p, right? B is equals to xy n minus 1 p minus m into c is equals to xy power p minus 1 into m minus n. Okay, now simple, expand. Xy, open the brackets carefully. So we have mn minus mp minus n plus p plus np minus mn minus p plus m plus pm minus pn minus m plus n, right? So plus n minus n plus m minus n, right? Plus p minus p. Mn gets cancelled, mp pm pn np. So x power 0 is equals to 1. Option number A. Again, this is a very simple question. Question number 41. Okay. So, with the help of expansion method, since there are so many variables, we will directly substitute A, B, C in this equation. So what do we have? We have A. What is A? A is equals to x power n plus p. Okay. So let us take all the x's in the left hand side and y's on the right hand side. So we have x power n plus p into n minus p. Right, so I'm going to directly write now n square minus p square. So we are going to solve, hold on, right, we are going to solve the questions carefully. Okay, so we have x power n square minus p square plus p square minus m square plus m square minus n square into y power. Again, now multiply this with this power. So we have mn minus mp. Similarly, we have np minus mn plus we have pm minus pn. Okay, so all the powers gets cancelled. So we have x power 0 into y power 0, which is equals to 1. Option number B. Next question, question number 42. Again, I have a very simple calculation trick. Now for this question, you have to use a calculator. Okay, hold on. Yeah. So now what is A equals to? Okay, so we have to find out A cube plus 3A minus 2. So we have to find out A carefully over here. So let us find out what is A. The first term we have, so on your calculator, you have to first find out root 2 plus 1. So root 2 plus 1 equals to, now cube root. How will you find out cube root of a number, of this number? You are going to press square root 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then minus 1. Then cube root means 1 power 1 by 3. So divided by 3. Plus 1 and multiply equal to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, okay. I just forgot the count and I kept counting. Again, let me just write it again. So what do we have? 2 root plus 1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our first term is 1.34153. So memory plus. Again, 2 root minus 1 cube root of this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 into equals to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Memory minus. Okay, so we have 0.74544. Memory minus and memory recall. So what do you get? A is equals to 0.59608. Okay, now again you have to just take a cube of this. Into equals to 2 times 1 2, memory plus. Okay, you have to clear your old memory and then you have to take the value of a and sorry, and take a cube of the number and memory plus, then again the value of a 0.59608 into 3 minus 2, memory plus. So memory recall, you get the answer is 0. Option number B. If you do the calculations properly, you will get the answer correctly. Question number 43. We have already studied the special formula for this type of questions. Let me remind you the formula. The answer to this question is A, just by remembering the special formula which is already taught. Okay, so what was the special formula? Okay, so there were two formulas. So given, if anybody of you have not written the formula, I am dictating it right now. Given x equals to a power 1 by 3 minus a power minus 1 by 3. So what is x cube plus 3x equals to? It is equals to a minus 1 by a. This is the first formula. And the second formula is, given x equals to a power 1 by 3 plus a power minus 1 by 3, and you are asked x cube minus 3x, the answer is a plus 1 by a. So as per this formula, you get the answer as option number A. Next question, question number 44. So now this has 1/4. Okay, so the special formula will not work. However, again we will solve what is A and B on the calculator. So what is A? So fourth root of 3 means press square root 2 times. So 3 and 2 times square root, memory plus. Divide equals to memory plus and memory recall. So you get 2.07591. And what is B equals to? Again 3, 2 times square root, memory plus, divide equals to memory minus, memory recall. You get 0.55624. Now a square plus b square. So a square is 2.07591 square, memory plus, then 0.55624 into equals to memory plus, memory recall whole square into 3. You get 64. Option number C. Next question, question number 45. Okay, so again this question you have to solve with calculator trick. What is x equals to? Simple. 3 root memory plus, divide equals to memory plus, memory recall. You get 2.30940. Y equals to 3 root memory plus, divide equals to memory minus memory recall. You get 1.154700. Now you just have to take squares and subtract the squares. You get almost equals to 4, option number D. Okay, so when you have these kind of in the root format, just take the calculator and use your tricks. Okay, next question, question number 46. Again, find out what is A. Simple, find out what is A on your calculator. So 4 root 6. Okay, so how I do on the calculator is, first calculate the denominator so that you don't have to write it on the paper every number. So calculate 2 root memory plus, then calculate 3 root memory plus. You get the denominator. Now what is the numerator? 6 root into 4 divided by memory recall. What do you get? A equals to 3.114156. Okay. Now you get the, okay, so the first term now, right? Again, 3.114156, put it in your memory plus. Now we are going to solve the denominator first. So 2 root into 2, this is a negative, hence memory minus. You get the denominator in your memory. Now again 2 root into 2 plus A. A is 3.114156 is equals to, divided by memory recall, which is equals to, first term is equals to 20.7979. Okay, and again the same thing, clear your memory, write what is A. A is 3.114156 and put it in your memory M plus. Okay, now first we are going to solve this denominator. So 3 root into 2, right? Memory minus. Again, you get the denominator in your memory. So now the numerator, you have 3 root into 2 plus what is A? A is 3.114156 divided by memory recall. You get minus 18.7979. So add this 20.7979. You get almost equals to 2. Option number C. Okay. Next question, question number 47. Now this is a very nice easy question again if you know it and practice it 2-3 times, but you have to be very careful. We are going to take a little time to explain this question, so pay attention. Now what are we given? We are given some irrational denominator, right? And the LHS are given in P, Q, R and S. Okay, so now we have to solve this right hand side. And okay, so how are you going to simplify this? 1 divided by 1 plus root 3, or else I'm going to write it in this way, 1 divided by root 3 plus root 5 plus 1. So I have grouped in 2 additions. Okay, and I'm going to multiply with root 3 plus root 5 minus 1 and root 3 plus root 5 minus 1. Please write this steps in your book. I'm going to clear once my screen is full. Okay, so now multiply it. What do we get? We get root 3 plus root 5 minus 1 divided by, carefully multiply, a square minus b square. What do we have? A square is the bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have 3 plus 2 root 15 plus 5 minus 1. What do you get? You get root 3 plus root 5 minus 1 divided by 7 plus 2 root 15. We still have a rational number in the denominator. Now this again we are going to rationalize. I am clearing the screen. So we are on next step. So we have root 3 plus root 5 minus 1 divided by 7 plus 2 root 15. Now 7 minus 2 root 15 and multiply and divide both. Correct? And now simplify. What do we have in the denominator? We have 49 minus 60. Right? 7 sevens are a square minus b square. And 2 into 2 4 and root 5 into root 5 is root 15 into root 15 is 15. So 15 fours are 60. Now the numerator, carefully multiply. So you have 7 root 3, right, plus 7 root 5, okay, minus 7, okay. Now the next term, minus 2 root 3 root 15, okay, minus 2 root 5 root 15 plus 2 root 15. Now the denominator becomes 11 minus 11, okay. Now in the above numerator you have to fill this PQRS with the constant. So root 15 here, so this 2 becomes S, okay. Now the only constant is 7, so we already got our answer, minus 7 divided by minus 11. So P is equals to minus 7 divided by minus 11, which is equals to plus 7 by 11. Option number A. Okay. So what if we want to find out what is Q? So Q is everything with root 3. Right? So we are going to simplify more. So with what are the things we have with root 5? Okay. So this is the last S is 2, correct? Okay. So this is how you're going to simplify everything with root 3 and everything with root 5 for finding out Q and R. I hope you understood the solution. Please practice it. Question number 48. Again, this is a very simple question. Let us find out the value of A on calculator. We have 2 root into 2 plus 3. Memory plus. So again, so you don't have to put it in memory. You just have to square root it. Then put it in memory. Divide equals to, put it in memory plus and memory recall. You have 2.82, 2.8284. So it is more than 2. So 2 into root 2 can be the answer. So let us see on our calculator. 2 root into 2 is equal to 2.284. So option number C. Next question, question number 49. Again, same. Okay. We just have minus over here. So let us solve it again. 2 root into 2 plus 3, right? Square root memory plus divide equals to memory minus memory recall. You have answer as 2. Option number B. Last question for this video, question number 50. Okay. So again, find out what is A on your calci. You have 21 square root memory minus, then 5 memory plus memory recall divided by 2. This is A. So A is equals to 2 point, sorry, 0.208712. Correct. So let us solve, put it in memory plus. So we have done this. A, then divide equals to memory plus this. Now we have again 0.208712 cube into equals to 2 times memory plus, then divide equals to minus cube, so memory plus. Again, what is A square? So 0.208712 into equals to into 5 memory minus, okay, again A square 0.208712 into equals to divide equals to, since it is minus 2, into 5 memory minus, and now memory recall. You get answer as 0. Option number A. For any more queries, please let me know in the comment section so that I can cover up in the next video. Further questions shall be done in part 3. Thank you.